Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to make a very simple dessert called Ali. This is an Egyptian dessert. It's generally made with phyllo and or puff pastry. But we have simplified our recipe and have used croissants instead. So let's make some Ali. First, we need 5 stale croissants. We need the croissants to be hard and crispy. If you don't have stale croissants, we can use fresh croissants. For that, first preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 5 large fresh croissants. These croissants that I have here are pretty big. They are bigger than my hand and they weigh about 2.5 ounces each. So we are going to take about 5 croissants. We need between 10 to 12 ounces of bread here. Break them up into fairly large chunks. Then toast them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they are nice and crispy. Look at these, they look beautiful. They are right out of the oven and hear the crispy crunchy sound. This is to replicate the texture of baked phyllo and puff pastry. Now that we are done with baking the croissants, increase the temperature of the oven to 325 Fahrenheit. And while that is preheating, let's make the milk mixture. Take a saucepan and pour 4 cups of whole fat milk. Then add 2 cups of heavy cream and mix well. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix until the sugar has dissolved. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt just to balance the sweetness. Bring this mixture to boil and keep stirring to prevent it from burning at the bottom. Once it has come to a rolling boil, take it off the heat. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of rose extract or rose essence, 1/4 teaspoon of orange extract or about 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and mix well. Keep this aside. In another bowl, take 2/3 cups of heavy cream. Add 1/4 cup powdered sugar and whisk it till it forms soft peaks. Once it has achieved soft peaks, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk it till it is almost stiff peaks. Set aside. Now let's assemble the Ali. In a casserole dish, take half of the baked croissants and layer it on the bottom of the dish. Add some sliced pistachios, some sliced toasted almonds, and some raisins. You can also use dried apricots. But since my family is vehemently against it, I am skipping it today. Now take half of the milk mixture and spoon it over the croissants. Now we are going to repeat this process. Take the leftover croissants and layer it over. Add more pistachios, almonds, raisins, and apricots. You can leave some for final decorations. Then pour the rest of the milk over the croissants. The hot milk will get instantly absorbed by the crunchy croissants. So we are going to let this sit for 10 minutes for the croissants to absorb the milk. After 10 minutes, take the whipped heavy cream and spread it evenly on top of the prepared dish. You can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top at this point, but I chose to skip that to reduce the amount of sugar content in this dish. Now bake it for 40 minutes in the preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, you can see that the Ali has puffed and has become golden brown in color. It looks delicious. After 10 minutes, sprinkle some of the leftover pistachios and almonds on top. Serve warm. Serve with a side of vanilla ice cream. And enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Like, share and subscribe for more recipes from us. Until then, happy cooking.